Hi everyone, welcome to our simple kitchen, Blackstone edition. Today we're making one of my absolute favorite meals on the Blackstone, Smash Burger Tacos with my famous burger sauce. These are super easy to make and my mouth is watering just thinking about them. Let's get started. You're going to start by heating the Blackstone to high heat and give it plenty of time to warm up. You want it pretty hot so the burger gets nice and crispy. While you're waiting, take a pound of 80/20 ground beef, add your seasonings, and divide it into 5 even balls. They should end up being about 3 ounces each. Once the griddle's hot, you'll add the burgers and top them with a 4 to 6 inch flour tortilla, and immediately smash those down as thin as possible using a heavy spatula. You'll want to make sure you have your tortillas and cheese ready to go because these next steps happen fast. The reason you want to get them smashed so thin is so that they cook quickly and get nice and crispy on the outside, hence the name Smash Burgers. Let those cook for a couple minutes until you see the burgers getting brown around the edges. I added some shredded cheese to give it some extra flavor, but that's not necessary. Then give them a flip. They do like to stick, so make sure you really get underneath them. If you enjoy these outdoor cooking videos and would like us to make more, let us know by hitting the like button. Add your favorite sliced cheese to each of the patties. I personally prefer American singles for these, but you can use whatever you'd like. Let that cook for another couple minutes and remove them all from the heat. Look at how good these look. I really don't measure anything for this sauce, but it's about a half a cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of mustard, a tablespoon of relish, onion powder, some paprika, garlic powder, and salt. This makes a delicious Big Mac-like sauce that takes your burger to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Add your toppings. My favorite toppings for these are lettuce, pickles, and onions, and of course my famous burger sauce. These always turn out so good and are quick and easy for any large get-together. Let me know if you give it a try. Enjoy!